The AI revolution depends on one company. Not OpenAI, not NVIDIA, not Microsoft. If TSMC stops producing advanced chips, artificial intelligence doesn't slow down. It stops. The most powerful AI models in the world run on processors manufactured in a handful of facilities. On one island. Every data center expansion, every breakthrough model, every trillion-dollar valuation, all trace back to the same supply chain. The future of AI is not controlled by software. It's controlled by manufacturing, and that manufacturing has a single point of failure. For decades, semiconductor companies controlled everything. They designed chips, they manufactured them, they owned the entire process. Vertical integration was the rule. But as chips became more advanced, manufacturing stopped being routine engineering. It became extreme capital competition. Only the most disciplined companies could survive at the frontier. TSMC made a radical choice. It would not design chips, it would manufacture them, for everyone. No competing products, no internal rivalry, just fabrication. That neutrality changed the industry. Apple could trust them. NVIDIA could trust them. AMD could depend on them. TSMC became the common foundation beneath competitors. Then came the decisive move, relentless investment. Year after year, tens of billions of dollars into new fabrication nodes. 7 nanometer, 5 nanometer, 3 nanometer. Few companies could afford the cost. Fewer could manage the precision. Manufacturing at this scale requires extreme ultraviolet lithography, atomic-level accuracy, and decades of accumulated expertise. As AI demand exploded, the imbalance became clear. The world's most advanced GPUs and processors were built in the same place. One manufacturer, one island. Over 90% of leading-edge chips now come from TSMC. Competitors struggled to keep pace. The deeper TSMC invested, the wider the gap became, because at the frontier, scale compounds. Governments now recognize the concentration risk. New factories are being built abroad. Subsidies are flowing, but ecosystems cannot be rebuilt overnight. Talent, supply chains, operational culture, these take decades. The AI race looks like a battle of algorithms, but beneath the software lies something more fundamental. Manufacturing capacity. The future of artificial intelligence may not be decided by code. It may be decided in a clean room where the world's most advanced chips are etched, layer by layer.